viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I am going to show you the results of my EA bot is now ready 100% and you can use it, and even you can get the trial as well. Okay, you can use the trial version, take the profit, and then you can buy the you will get the copy of my EA. Okay, first you can use the trial version. Okay, there is no issue. First, let me show you. I will go to the mobile screen, and I will show you how this bot is working, because in the mobile you will see the progress, and here you can see the total profit is this one, net profit is this one, and total trades this one. Today profit so far is $12.48 so far. Okay, and here you can see the all detail, and you can see the list of trades here. Okay, here you can see it will automatically will place the orders. Okay, and will trade automatically whatever he will do, it will do automatically. Okay, you do not need to do anything, and roughly it is giving you the profit of around $40, $50, $100, $150, or sometime it will give you the more than 200 to $250 in a day. Okay, in a day I am talking about the in a day, and I will show you the back testing as well. Okay, I will show you the back testing result as well. Okay, I had to show you the live result, then I will show you uh, results of my EA on the live market. Okay, here you can see first here let me show you even an interesting thing here. He was the client that buy my EA. Actually he did not buy my EA, he buys someone else EA, and let me show you the results. ठीक है. Okay, here okay, it did not show. Here you can see the loss trade $67 here. It's he sent me the video that the loss is going grow. He buy more than $200 to $50 in this EA losing trades in because the market in the gold in the 1 minute time frame was very volatile. Okay, but the major thing is this bot is I did not mention the names which one is selling this type of bots, but I will show you the details. Okay, here you can see this $67 in 1 day. Okay, and market was not behaving good one. So here you can see, let me show you, this was my EA, and this was the today results. Okay, in the today I will show you the results in the first. Let's go to the mobile screen, and then we will talk more further. Okay, let's go to the mobile screen. Okay, this EA is running automatically on uh, virtual private server, and I am just showing the results in this mobile. And let me show you the today results. Here you can see this is the today. Let me show you here. Okay, let's go to the today. In the today and it's showing you the profit of $52. Let's move further, and for November, and it's showing you the profit of $132. And if we will move further, and Monday, it's showing you the profit of around $77. So roughly it is giving you around $50, $70, $80, 120, $150. Okay, that is a rough estimation. Okay, roughly it is giving you the profit of around you can say rough estimate 80 $90 in a day with just 100 initial deposit. Okay, remember, just $100 your initial deposit, and it will give you the profit of like this one. Okay, these are the number of trades. Here you can see it will place the trades here. Okay, if you think that I will go now, I will switch to the desktop, and will show you all the data how, and will show you the back testing result as well. Okay, now I show you the results in the live testing. Now I have need to show you the results in the back testing. Now here we come to the desktop, and here you can see this is the virtual private server. Let me show you. And the EA is running 24 by 7 here. Okay, and let me show you, it's a virtual private server. That's why it's a little bit slow working, because in the virtual private server it is a little bit slow. Okay, here you can see that is clearly visible. It's a virtual private server, maintain each and everything visible here. Okay, and now let's come to the point. We have need to check the back testing. Okay, we have need to check the back testing. Here I put the EA. Okay, and each and everything is, well, this is I made a lot of version. The final version is simple hoga EA by Usman 2.v 2.7. Okay, this is the final version. Now we have need to test this EA. Go to the studies tester, and let's go. Here we go, single indicator v 2.7. Here it, this is the final version, and we have need to check gold 1 minute time frame. We will check the results of different date, like 15 days, like last 15 days. Okay, we'll check from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 10 October 2025. Each everything is visible here. Okay, now the balance I was talking about, you can start with $100 initial deposit. Now deposit is $100 only, and we visual test, and let's start. You will see here the indicator is working, and here we start with $100, and today date is 20 October, and we will fast this year. Okay, in the last 30 days I show you the profit. In one day it's give you the profit of $120, $70, and so on. It's give you the 2.5 days, maybe 2 days, it gives us a profit of around more than $230. Okay, I show you the live demo example. Okay, but here you can see, let me start this fast. Okay, I'm going to start this, and now it's this going too fast. Okay, and here you can see it's taking a lot of trades, each and everything, so it is doing so much fast. Okay, here you can see the back testing results. Okay, it will show you the today profit, total trades, net profit, total profit, and each and everything visibly visible here. Okay, but you know the back testing result, and I will tell you the truth. Okay, in the back testing and the in the real testing, there is a small difference. Okay, you cannot compare the result from the back testing. At least whenever you want to buy the EA, either you want to buy, I am showing you the live result also. I already show you the results. Okay, already show you the live testing result, and I am also showing you the back testing result also. Okay, but remember there is a big difference between the back testing and the real testing. Okay, whenever you want to buy, either you are buying from me, either you are buying from someone else. Okay, remember one thing, just need to tell him show the real time results. Okay, live market results. Okay, and then you will get exactly what in the back testing. Just you can see in 22 days, in 3 to 4 days, it's give you as a profit of around 3000 or something. Okay, so you do not need to believe on these results. Okay, yes, my EA is giving you, sometime it will give you the profit of around $200 to maybe $50 maybe. Okay, but if you are expecting, yeah, just from 100 initial deposit, how is possible that the EA will give you 4,000 and $5,000 in 2 to 3 days, or maybe in a week? That is not possible. the people who are saying this all fake. Okay, all are fake, do not trust. Okay, I am showing you the live result, back testing result. Back testing is, it is showing you great results, but the in real time I show you, it's give you us, it give you the profit. This EA will give you the profit of around $70, $80, $100, $150. It's depending on the conditions. Okay, sometime it will give you the profit of around $60, $50, and sometime it will give you the profit of around 150 or $200. Okay, so first you have need to buy, do not need to buy, just get the trial in just $10. You will get, you need to pay only $10 and you will get the trial of 3 days. Just test them, either you want to test in the real account or the demo account, whatever you want you can test. And hopefully after the 3 days, you, I will give you the 3 days trial. After after the 3 days you will be satisfied 100%, and you will there will be no question in your mind, and then you can easily buy my EA. I will not say you will become a rich, but at least it is giving you at least a very good profit. Okay, I think you will understand the whole concept, and I do not need to show you the back testing result. 13,000, $14,000 in just 10 days. How is that possible? It is not possible. The people who say it's a real one, all are fake. Do not need to trust. Okay, I think I need to close it, because all things are visible here, and I show you the back testing and real time results, each and everything. Okay, I am testing this indicator, so that's why it is showing you today profit. But I show you in the mobile screen, you can see the today results. Okay, and do not need to hear yes me guess here this one. I am testing this indicator, so that's why it is showing like this one. Total net profit is showing you $81. Okay, and total profit is showing you 1055.11056 dollar. So actually that is a great one. Okay, I just need to 1 minute time frame. Click on 1 minute time frame, and then go to the my EA. Just drag and drop here. Okay, I think I already placed the EA, so I have need to close it. Okay, I will give you the trial version of 3 days, and after 3 days the EA will be expired. Just need to close algo trading, click here, algo trading, click here. Okay, click here and click here, and then drag and drop and just click OK. Do not need to change anything, just click on OK, and now the EDA will be ready. Okay, here you can see the EA is running on virtual private server. Okay, here you can see in the virtual private server, you can see the EA will run automatically, and do not need to change anything. Just drag and drop the EA and will enjoy it. Okay, any question, any query you can ask me, and I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this. Okay, any question or any query you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care. And if you need the indicator or EA, you have need to contact me. If you need the trial version as well, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Okay, any query, any question you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.